Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm just going to be adding some glitter to the cover of this little mini Disney album. So I'm going to be using the Designer Dries Clear adhesive with the fine metal tip, and I'm going to be using some fine glitter. And I've already poured some in a little Tupperware here, and I have a little spoon that I'm going to use to sprinkle it on. Oh, I did forget. I want to place, if you have a bigger piece of paper, use that. I'm just going to use that to catch any excess glitter to help in cleaning up when I sprinkle the glitter on. Okay, so I'm just going to go around. Just making a frame of glitter. So we just want a little line here. I don't want to make it too thick. It's a little tricky up at the top and bottom because there's no line, but that wasn't too bad. Okay, so now I've got a little bit of glue. It's not super even as much as I would like it to be. I can smooth this out a little bit. And this glue does dry quickly, so you don't want to take too long. I don't know if you can see the glue on there. So I'm just going to hold it over my bowl and sprinkle it on here. And this is, the glitter is from the brand Art Glitter as well as the glue. Same company. I believe it is called Crystal. I don't have the jar with me, but I believe that's the name of it, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so now I'm just gonna make sure I get enough up here. And just kind of sprinkle it. Hoping that I'm in camera. Can you see me okay? Okay. And if you wanted to, you wouldn't even have to shake it off. You could just let it sit there for a couple hours and then shake off the excess if you're worried about the glue running or anything. It shouldn't run though. So right now the glue is white, so you're going to kind of see that lumpy. So once the glue completely dries, it shouldn't look lumpy anymore. So I'm hoping that that comes out right. Yep, so we will see. So it probably just takes, I don't know, maybe an hour or two, just to let it sit, and then you can come back in and sweep away the excess glitter here. So here's just a little sneak peek inside. I don't want to move it too much since the glue's still wet. And this will be available in my Etsy shop. The kits for this, not the actual pre-made completed album, but the kits for this, where I pre-cut all the pieces for you. I give you step-by-step instructions to create this album yourself. This is a punch. You will need this punch, or it'll just be a straight edge pocket, or you can use any other punch. I believe it's called Mouse Ears punch by EK Success. I would have them in my store, but at this time it appears that they have discontinued it on me. So, but you might be able to find it online, or you might already have it in your stash. There's magnets that come in your kit as well that's holding this flap down. Oops. Okay, And I will do a better walkthrough video once this glue dries. I'll do a full walkthrough video for you. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please click the like button. Please click the subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos from me. Click that bell for notifications. And again, check out the link below to my Etsy shop. Once these kits are available, they will be in my shop. And we have lots of fun projects there to check out. And thank you again for watching. Have a great day.